Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple and cinnamon pancakes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, separate the eggs, placing the yolks and whites into two separate bowls. Try not to get any traces of yolk into the whites because we will be whipping them later, and if there's any yolk in the whites, they will not whip properly. Place the yolks into a small bowl and add in the milk and vanilla extract and whisk them until they're well combined. And set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon, and whisk them until they're combined. And set this mixture aside for now. Then into a medium bowl, add in the egg whites from earlier, and whip them until they form fairly stiff peaks. And set it aside for now. Then wash and dry the apples. Peel them if you like. Then core and dice them. Add the diced apples into the flour mixture. And add in the wet ingredients. And mix them just until they're combined. Then add in the whipped egg whites. And fold them in until they're just combined and there are no more streaks of white. Don't overmix. Then heat a griddle to 350 degrees or heat a skillet on the stove over medium-low heat and heat it until it's hot. To tell if it's hot enough, sprinkle some water onto the pan. The water should evaporate immediately or skid across the pan before evaporating. Once it's hot enough, butter the pan. Then add large scoops of the batter into the pan for each pancake, and let them cook for a minute or two until they're golden brown on the bottom. Just lift them up to see if they're golden brown, and once they are, flip them over and cook the other side until it's golden brown. Once done, remove them from the pan. And I like to place them onto a cooling rack instead of a plate so the bottom doesn't get soggy. Clean off the pan between batches or every other batch. Butter the pan again. And continue cooking the rest of the batter until it's all used up. They're best served immediately, and you can top them with whatever you like. I'm adding some whipped cream and maple syrup. And that's how to make apple and cinnamon pancakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.